In today's video, I'll be giving you guys an update on the KuCoin trading bot. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. As you guys know, a couple weeks ago, I started using the KuCoin trading bot and I was giving you guys daily updates, and a lot of you have enjoyed those updates. But recently, I haven't given you guys any updates, and I received a ton of comments, a ton of messages, people asking me, yo, what's up with the KuCoin trading bot? Are you still using it? Did you sell? Did you take profit? What is going on? So I decided to give you another quick update. Now let's go log into my KuCoin trading account so we can see how much money I made and what I plan on doing in the future. Also, if you are brand new to the channel, I would appreciate it if you smash the subscribe button and don't forget that like button as well. And now let's go inside of my KuCoin account. Let's go. Alright, so now we are inside of my KuCoin account and we are going to press on the trading bot. Once we press on the trading bot, you will see that we have one robot running. We're going to click on it and now you can see all the numbers for this trading bot. So far today, the robot has done 26 arbitrages. And since I started this robot, it has done 1,058 arbitrages. This simply means trades. And as you can see, I invested $5,045 into this trading bot. And so far today, we are up 9.9% on the day, which is pretty sweet. And we have made $504 in profits. This is by far one of the best days that this trading bot has had. Also, if we look at the current price of KuCoin, it is $5.04. Also guys, I'm trading KuCoin to USDT. Personally, I think there are way better pairs out there that have way more volatility. These trading robots tend to make the most profits and the best returns if you pick a pair that is volatile. USDT is not very volatile. KuCoin is not very volatile, so that's why you are seeing these slow returns. But if you pick a more volatile pair, then I think the returns are going to be way better than what I'm seeing right now. Also, this robot is trading KuCoin from the price of $4.06 all the way up to $6.11. And now let's look at the order details. When we look at the order details, you will see that we have 496 KuCoin and we have 3,049 USDT. As of right now, we have 32 buy orders and 28 sell orders. When we scroll down, you can see them. The way this robot works is very simple. Once the price starts dropping, it starts buying. So the lower the price goes, the more it buys. And then it starts selling when the price goes up. It puts anywhere between 10 and 50 orders on the way down, and then it sells them on the way up. And then it locks in small profits. But the more volatile the pair is, the more ups and downs you are going to see, and the more trades the robot is going to make, thus making you more profits in the long run. And now we are going to press on profits, and you'll be able to see our total return. So far, we have made $506 in profits, and now our $5,045 that I have invested in this trading bot is worth $5,551. As you can see, on some days it loses money, on some days it makes money. I also compared the numbers side by side. The KuCoin trading bot versus simply holding KuCoin on the exchange. And as of right now, the KuCoin trading bot is definitely performing better and we have received more returns. I think almost $400 extra than simply holding the coin on the exchange. So as of right now, I'm definitely satisfied with the KuCoin trading bot. I do not know how long I will keep it open, but as of right now, I'm happy with the profits. Sometime in the future, I will close the robot down and I will take profits. And I will probably try to pick a different pair that is more volatile in order to make more profits. But as of right now, I'm just chilling and letting the robot do its thing. One other thing that I would like to mention is I love how simple this robot is. You simply set it up and it starts making money for you day one. Personally, right now, I am way overwhelmed. I have so many projects that I'm looking at. So many things are going on that I'm feeling overwhelmed. But this robot, man, super easy. Just set it and forget it and it starts making you profits. I have so many videos planned. I just do not know where to start. It's like, it is getting overwhelming. but the opportunities are definitely here to make a ton of money. We are in the most exciting time in cryptocurrency. A lot of people are going to make life-changing money. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick little update. If you want to open up your own trading bot, check out the KuCoin link in the description box below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Peace out.